It will be a lot of work, but I think it will greatly pay off at the end of the day. I am Zsigmond Torok, I'm Senior Supply Chain Manager at VPET USA. 2 days course, it was pretty intense, non-stop basically during the 2 days. Carol was amazing, it was really interactive, questions, answers, challenges. I think it definitely helped us significantly to understand the process, how the system works, created a great foundation of implementation and taking it to the next level. It will be a lot of work, but I think it will greatly pay off at the end of the day. It was interesting to see how every department participated, fulfilling different functions, not their own. Finance was planning, sales was part of the warehouse, planning was part of the quality. It really helped them understand what each department facing day to day, what kind of challenges, what kind of problems, questions they run into. I think the main benefit will be the transformation from being reactive to being more proactive, helping the planners to become planners and looking forward versus fighting fires every single day. Their time will be much more well spent. We're looking forward to the reduction in inventory. We're looking forward to the increased and customer service level, the lead time reduction. I think in the overall benefit will be significant in multiple levels, not just in the scheduling team or planning team, but in inventory, space availability, lead time reduction. I think it will be great.